It's August 1st, 2022, out here at Carowinds, and as you can see, behind me, the bumper cars and the construction walls are already up. And let's take a walk around and see if construction walls are up all around Country Crossroads, and have they started anything? Let's get ready to go on this adventure that rocks. So as you can see, August 1st, the construction walls are up. There's boo blasters right there leading down into Crossroads, and you can see Southern Star right behind it. No work yet has been done on it, but you can't get down in there. Let's go around and check out the bumper car side. On the Copperhead Strike side by Mountain Gliders, you know that's another way in to check out the bumper cars. So let's see how far we're gonna get. And it looks like, yep, there's a big blue construction wall there as well. And as you can see over that construction wall, right there is the bumper cars. So no bumper cars for the rest of the 2022 season. I'm curious, once they shut a section down, how fast do they start that demolition or taking down of the rides to start preparing for the new season? And I have that answer. You aren't gonna believe this. Remember, this is only day one. I gotta turn this camera around. Yes, it's only day one, and as you can see on Yo-Yo, the seats have already been removed, and I'm just gonna stay here for a few minutes because they've already started removing the yellow harnesses that come off those blue arms. So I'm gonna hang out here to get a better shot of them actually disassembling those also. Heck, I might even hang out here long enough to actually see them take down this whole ride. Then again, I have no idea how long it takes down a whole ride like this. So what am I thinking? Now down by the games, you can see it looks like they're starting to do inventory of all the stuffed animals and stuff like that down there. I'm guessing that's why you see all those boxes and stuff. And what looks like what you're seeing right now is the basketball nets have now started to come down. While out here waiting for the next phase of what might be the next piece coming down, I looked it up. It says that this thing opened up March 31st, 1973. That's a huge piece of history. And just think, it's kind of sad to see that coming down, but yet in 2023, for the 50-year anniversary, it's kind of cool and exciting to see what's gonna happen out here for this whole area. While I'm waiting for them to keep taking down more of Yo-Yo, I've been watching them take down the basketball game. And it's been kind of interesting because it's something I would have never thought of. What do you think they do with all those basketballs that you throw into the hoops? They actually have been deflating them all. It's just something that would have never occurred to me. There's one of the last of the blue supports coming off. Something else that's been moved, looks like the scale game is now out of position. You enjoyed that brief look on what's to come, or what's being taken down on construction day one out there at Country Crossroads. Not a lot to see, but I thought it was cool that parts of Yo-Yo's already been taken down. Would have loved to have seen that blue top piece coming off, but didn't catch it today. But was kind of cool to see that, you know, they deflate those basketballs that you actually throw, that scale actually being moved out, the bumper cars that are being unloaded, although we couldn't catch it on video because it was really far out and hard to catch. And hopefully that one picture I did catch, you guys were able to see, and hopefully we're going to be able to catch some more. So it is a good reason to hit that like and subscribe. because you never know where we're going to end up next, and definitely what we're going to be able to show you next. And why am I filming this in front of Snoopy and the Red Baron and all these airplanes? It's definitely not because of Snoopy and the Red Baron, if you catch my drift. If you know the reason, put it in the comments down below. As we always say, make each and every day, including those with a lot of flight, an adventure that rocks. Looking for more fun photos and maybe little mini videos that we didn't include in this video you're watching now?
Be sure to check out our TikTok, our Instagram, and our Facebook pages.
And we're going to put those links also in the description down below.